Hello and welcome. I'm Prachi Gupta. As the whole world battles the coronavirus pandemic, every single day is bringing in hope. Hope of a breakthrough, hope of a new vaccine. In this COVID 19 bulletin, we bring you facets of that hope. Curated information on the new developments in science and technology each day that can help us in managing and overcoming the ongoing crisis. As the whole world wades through the coronavirus pandemic, scientists are trying various strategies to come up with a drug against coronavirus infection. In the same league, scientists from the Varanasi-based IIT BHU will now explore the drug bank to identify drug candidates which can treat COVID-19 infection. Drug Bank is a database of drug compounds approved by the Food and Drug Administration of the US. IIT BHU scientists will search this bank for the compounds which can be the inhibitors of COVID-19 main protease. COVID-19 main protease is required for assembly and multiplication of the virus, and its inhibition by drugs will curtail the multiplication. The search for the inhibitor will be carried out by extensive computational and experimental studies. As most of the drug bank database compounds have been characterized for toxicity and function, the identified molecule could be brought to the market rapidly. This research will be made possible with the financial support received from the Science and Engineering Research Board, or SERB, which is a statutory body under the Department of Science and Technology. Let's hear more about this research from Dr. Vikas Kumar Dubey, who is a professor at IIT BHU.
Key protein of this virus, which is called main protease. This main protease has very important function in processing of polyprotein which is synthesized in virus. This processing of polyprotein is required for growth and progression of the virus. If the function of this main protease is stopped, this processing of polyprotein will not take place and virus will not multiply further in any infected individual. So the molecule that will inhibit the function of this main protease is likely to be antiviral molecule against this SARS coronavirus 2. For identifying the molecule that might inhibit the function of SARS coronavirus 2 main protease, we are exploring drug bank, and drug bank is collection of large number of molecule which is already known to be drug molecule for some or other diseases. Since these molecules are already characterized in terms of its pharmacokinetics and toxicity, if we identify any molecule as anti-SARS coronavirus 2, there won't be any need for further evaluation of toxicity and pharmacokinetics. So using extensive computational tool and taking advantage of available crystal structure of main protease, we will identify the molecule that might bind to the active site of SARS coronavirus main protease, and we will screen the molecules. We will synthesize these molecules and we will test it on recombinant SARS coronavirus 2 main protease.
To increase the testing capacity of Assam, a COVID-19 testing laboratory has now been established at the Jorhat-based CSIR's Northeast Institute of Science and Technology. The facility has a team of 10 scientists from the institute which will be actively involved in isolating RNA from the swab samples. These scientists will be supported by 40 other staff members in carrying out this task. The Institute's Biotechnology Division is playing a lead role in carrying out RT-PCR-based COVID-19 testing, and the Institute is receiving cooperation from the Government of Assam and the District Administration of Jorhat in this endeavour. Let's know more about this testing facility from Dr. G. Narahari Shastri, Director, CSIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology.
When this pandemic has started, we thought that we also will contribute our bit. This is the first R&D lab in the Northeast to start. And we did not have anything. We just have some instruments which will isolate this RNA and then look at their sequences in plants. And it's very different to treat viruses. So what we did is, our civil engineering team has built a testing facility within 15 days and make all the necessary arrangements for testing and it was all done in 25 days, and we have got it opened by the Honorable Minister, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma ji, and it is really appreciated. And then we are now ready to test, and it just started.
India's Department of Biotechnology and the European Union have now joined forces on the research front to manage and overcoming the ongoing pandemic. This cooperation will work through a co-funding mechanism where Indian researchers will be supported in finding rapid solutions, development of new age healthcare, medical and manufacturing technologies, and contemporary healthcare preparedness platforms to mitigate emergencies like COVID-19. Given the urgency, the call procedure is fast-tracked so that the researchers can start to work as quickly as possible. That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. We hope that you all are safe and maintaining social distance. See you soon. Namaskar.